Here I am at 377 Grant Avenue. Let's take a look inside. Front door comes to this kitchen here. To the right, we have a dining area. Put a table there. If you keep going through, you've got a bonus area and your laundry room with your water heater. Looks like it was from 2019. Here's the bonus room. Next, we have the living room. We have a fireplace over here. 4 windows in the front, facing the road. And then on this side, you can see where some of the ceiling has fallen down. Here's another entrance on this side. Then we can go down this hallway. If you go down this hallway, you can see to the left is that kitchen that we saw earlier. Keep going. To the right, we have a bedroom. This room was also affected by the ceiling coming in. Closet. Then we've got a closet in the hallway here. To the right, we've got a bathroom. Straight ahead, we've got a bedroom. Then we've got the next bedroom. And a closet. Next, we have the master suite. To your right here, there's the door. And then we have a closet to the left. And another closet, plenty of closet space. Then here's the master area. And then we have yet another closet and the bathroom. So we've got a sink, toilet, and the shower. All right, let's take a walk back through and then we'll go back outside, take a look in the yard. We can continue to the back this way. Oh, there's your crawl space. Little peek. You can see the fence there, just over yonder. And here's the back of the structure. There's a gate out back that way too. Let's return to the front. There's another side gate over here near that other entrance that I showed you. Let me see if it opens. Oh, looks like somebody put a board here, so it's not going to open for us. But we can walk back around the outside. Let me know if you're interested. Take care.